Hey, today I have my first ABUS lock. It is a 7240 and aluminum body padlock. With the cool keyway, kind of. If you look, it spells out, bad lighting, ABUS. So, pretty cool. To pick it, because the keyway is so messed up, I'm going to use this tool from Sparrows. I think it's a lock noob design, but it's a comb, tubular lock tensioning tool, and a top of the keyway tensioning tool. But it is a 6-pin lock. That's the key. Smooth. Ball bearings. Does have a screw in there, so we can gut it once we get it picked. If we get it picked. Top of the keyway, like I said, right in that A. Sparrows. Oh, Peterson standard hook in 18,000s. 1 click. Little click on 2, it felt like. 3, nothing. 4, big click. 5, 6. Click out of 5 and 6. 2, getting counter rotation. Oh, and there it is. ABUS 7240. Let's see what's inside this thing. No bypass plate, so could have used a bypass tool in there. Yeah. Here we go. Pop that pin off if I can. I'm terrible at this. Probably better if I just lock it. Key. Oh, where's my follower? Here we go. All 6 populated. Jeez, how unprepared am I right now? Very. Oh, tweezers. Okay. Perfect. Here we go. It only took 20 minutes. Try to hurry through this. Ooh. Wow. That spring is just sticking out of there. Heavy, heavy spring tension. I'm just going to pull that out. Now I'm nervous these things are going to fly out. Yep. Spool. It's a lot of spring tension. Another spool. Almost lost that one. Another spool. 6. I'm going to pull the spring on that one also. Maybe not. Okay. Oof. Lost that one too. Spool. Geez, these springs are springy. There we go. Spool. So 1 standard and 5 spools. Those springs are just wanting to pop out of there. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, key pins. Wish I'd been more prepared. Looks like standard key pins. Barely clearing the shear line back there. All standard key pins and 5 spools as driver pins. So that's it. The ABUS 7240. Thanks a lot and happy picking.